used in preparation of ammonia. So Harber process is the process used in preparing ammonia. Used in preparing ammonia. Are you following? So the Harber process is the process that is used in preparing ammonia. Okay, so the process that is used in preparing ammonia, the process is called the Harber process. So this Harber process is the process that is used in preparing ammonia gas. Okay, so the process starts like this. In preparations of ammonia, in the preparations of ammonia, you will need a catalyst. So a catalyst is anything that speeds up the rate of a chemical reaction. So if I can ask, what is a catalyst? As we are starting, if I can ask, what is a catalyst? What do you understand when you say a catalyst? When you hear catalyst, what comes into your mind when you hear the term catalyst? Catalyst, catalyst, catalyst. Victor watching from Luapula. Okay, this is great. What comes into your mind when you hear the term catalyst? What comes into your mind when you hear the term catalyst? So a catalyst is anything that speeds up the rate of a chemical reaction. So Harber process is a process of preparing ammonia by using a catalyst to speed up the chemical reaction called ion. So ion is the catalyst that is used in the preparation of ammonia. Ion is the catalyst that is used in the preparation of ammonia. So materials required or raw materials, you need hydrogen and you need nitrogen. So to prepare ammonia by the process called Harber process, you need the catalyst called ion catalyst. The raw materials to prepare ammonia is hydrogen and nitrogen. So you must have nitrogen and hydrogen. Prudence, she's saying a catalyst is anything that is used to speed up the reaction. Wow, Prudence, so intelligent. What about you? What comes into your mind when you hear the term catalyst? Catalyst, because you need to understand here before you miss it. So what comes into your mind when you see the word catalyst? Catalyst. So, Harber process is used in the production of ammonia. The process that is used to produce ammonia is Harber process. It is used in preparing ammonia. The catalyst that is needed is ion catalyst. The materials needed is hydrogen and nitrogen. So, the chemical reaction is that nitrogen gas, it will react with hydrogen. This is a reversible reaction to produce NH3. Okay, so this is a chemical reaction. I want you to pay attention. Nitrogen, it will react with hydrogen to produce ammonia. So this is the ammonia that has been produced. This is the ammonia. So is the equation balanced? Is the equation balanced? So you have two nitrogen here. Nitrogen here, you have one. So to balance it, you put 2 here. So hydrogen will be, nitrogen will be 2, and nitrogen 2 times 6, you get what? 6. 2 times 3, you get 6. Then hydrogen here, you have 2. So to make it 6, you put a 3 here. So the equation is balanced. The equation is balanced. The equation is balanced. So from here, the equation is balanced. Okay. So now, what are the conditions required to prepare ammonia? So what are the conditions required? So the conditions, you say the conditions required the conditions that are required is that the temperature must be between 400 to 450 degrees Celsius. So the temperature must be between 400 degrees Celsius to 450 or 500. So the conditions, temperature must be between 400 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius. So the conditions to prepare ammonia, the temperature must be between 400 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius. Then what else do you need? The atmospheric pressure, the AMP, atmospheric pressure, or the ATM, atmospheric pressure, ATM. Are you following? Are you following? This is the preparation of ammonia. So what you need here, the ATM, the atmospheric pressure that is needed is between 200 ATM, 200 ATM to 250. So 200 ATM to 250 ATM, atmospheric pressure. So this process is called the Harber process, where it is used in the preparation of ammonia. So this is the ammonia that has been prepared. What are the resources that are needed? You need nitrogen and you need hydrogen to prepare ammonia. So what are the conditions? They are saying that the temperature must be 400 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius. The pressure must be 200 atm to 250 atm. What is the catalyst that is needed in preparing ammonia? Ion catalyst. The catalyst that is needed is ion catalyst. So the catalyst that you need in the preparation of ammonia is called ion catalyst. Are you following? This is so very simple. This is very simple. This is very simple. Are you following? I want to check if people are with me. Is it clear from here? Just, yeah, you need to tell me. Sir, repeat. Sir, I'm not clear. Is it clear just from here? Let me check your comments. Is it clear just from there? Is it clear? Martha, you are inviting your friend. This is great. Is it clear just from there? Is it clear? Used in preparing ammonia, the Harber process, the catalyst needed is ion. The materials needed is hydrogen and nitrogen. When they react, the conditions that are needed for Harber process to take place, you need the temperature of 400 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius, and the ATM, atmospheric pressure, between 200 degrees Celsius to 250. Is it clear? Tell me if it is clear. Constance saying just from joining. Martha, this is when you are joining. Catch up quickly. Catch up quickly. Martha just from joining. Yes, tell me if it's clear. Tell me if it is clear. We continue. We continue. Tell me if it is clear. Conditions needed. The temperature must be 400 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius. The atmospheric pressure, it must be 200 degrees Celsius or to 250 degrees Celsius. The catalyst needed is ion catalyst. So the catalyst needed is called ion catalyst. Is it clear? Let's continue. Who can tell me the uses of ammonia? Uses of ammonia. Uses of ammonia. Who can tell me the uses of this ammonia produced? Uses of ammonia. Like we said, today is going to be short and sweet. So what are the uses of ammonia? Who can try? Clear on the conditions. Okay. Clear on the conditions. Martha, she said clear. The rest I will rewatch. Alright. What are the uses of ammonia? Who can guess the uses of ammonia? First, I'll give you my use. It is used in manufacturing nitric acid. Used in manufacturing nitric acid. Ammonia is used in the manufacturing of nitric acid. So we are talking about the Harber process. Those who have joined late, make sure you rewatch the video, okay? And if you are not in the group, we are learning this in the group. Join the group so that we talk about more concept. Organic chemistry. So if you're not in the group, join the group. The fees are just 65. Chemistry and physics both. So together just 65, or science. If you're interested, drop your number there. We'll contact you and we'll tell the procedure on how to join. The fees are just 65. So we are talking about the Harber process before we answer the examination question. We say the Harber process is a process that is used in the production of ammonia. They use a catalyst called ion catalyst. So, what are the raw materials needed to produce ammonia? You need nitrogen, and you need hydrogen. These nitrogen and hydrogen, they have conditions that they're supposed to work on. The temperature must be 400 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius. And the atmospheric pressure, it must be 200 degrees Celsius to 250 degrees Celsius. Now we are on the uses of ammonia. The first use of ammonia is that it is used in the production or manufacturing of nitric acid. Martha saying used as a fertilizer. Cynthia saying it is used as a fertilizer. Wow. Okay. Who is saying Martha saying used? Yes. What do you think are the uses? What do you think are the uses? Used in detergents, used in fertilizers, yes, used in detergents. What do you say? What are the uses? What are the uses? What are the uses of ammonia? What do you think are the uses of ammonia? It is used to soften hard water. You know, there are two types of water. I'll teach you this. Join the group. I'll teach you. There are two types of water. There is hard water and soft water. So ammonia is used to soften hard water. Is used to soften hard water. So ammonia is used to soften hard water. It is used in fertilizers. It is used in explosive. So it is used in explosive. These are the uses of ammonia. Very clear. Nyukuri or Lena saying it is not clear. Where is it not clear? Are you clear, everybody here? Tell me if you're clear so that I shouldn't just be moving. I'm supposed to check the pace I'm moving at. So if it is not clear, just tell me. If it isn't clear, tell me. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? If it's not clear, Nyukuri or Lena, where is it not clear? Pretty, Emma, following. Okay. Tell me where you're watching from. And is it clear? Before we start answering, our main reason why we are here is to answer this examination question. So I'm done explaining on Harber process. Is it clear? As we go into the answering now. Is it clear? Following. Mununga saying following. This is not the time to backslide. It's the time you learn everything. If tomorrow I'll be saying we are doing organic chemistry, is to join the live video. But you'll find everything you want in the group. So when you join the group, you'll find everything that you want and it will be clear with you. Join the group, it will be very clear with you. So these are the uses of ammonia. Let's answer this question now. So if you're not yet in the group, drop your number there. We'll put you in the group. If you're not yet in the group, drop your number there. We'll put you in the group. Okay, we are back here now. 2019. Paper 2. This was internal. Section C. On what you are from doing. So, the first question I want you to answer now. Solutions. A. Name the process shown above. What is the process shown? What is the process shown? Name the process shown. Let's answer now the solutions. Name the process. What is that process shown above? Pretty saying Harber process. Name the process. Pretty she's saying Harber process. Tell me. Pretty. Only Pretty has answered. Wednesday Harber process. Yes, even you answer. Kelvin, the Harber process. Cynthia, the Harber process. Wow. Who is remaining to answer? Mununga, the Harber process. So, Harber process. Alright. So, the answer here is the Harber process. So, if I can ask, so the process that is shown, so why is it the Harber process? Why have you said it is the Harber process? Yes. Why have you said it's the Harber process? Let's answer. Why have you said it is the Harber process? Prudence, Harber, Martha, Harber process. Another question. Why have you said it is the Harber process? Why have you said it is the Harber process? Out of everything, why are you saying it is the Harber process? Why is it the Harber process? Tell me. Why is it the Harber process? Why letter X? Wednesday. I'm asking, why are you saying this is the Harber process? Let's get discussing here. Let's discuss. Why have you said it's the Harber process? Yes, we are answering the solutions here now. We are done teaching the Harber process. So now we want to answer the questions on Harber process. Why have you said it is the Harber process? Why say it is the Harber process? The materials use nitrogen for ammonia. Okay, this is Kelvin. Tamara saying, oh, she's invited a friend. Yeah, don't waste time. I tell my students, don't waste time. You have 8 weeks remaining. So in these 8 weeks, this is the time you join the groups, you are updated, you learn, you have all the videos. Because what we do in the group, we'll send you the videos, you watch them at the free time you want. Full videos of everything you want. Okay, so the process shown is called the Harber process. B. States the substance represented by letter X. This is nitrogen, this is X, this is ammonia. What is the substance represented by letter X? Because there's a reaction of nitrogen and hydrogen. Wow. Cynthia, Prudence, you guys are great. I know you guys are from the group. I know you guys, the reason why you're so intelligent, you're from the group. I know the reason. Alright, so tell me, Mununga saying X. What is X? What is X? X is equals to what? What is X? Hydrogen. Great. This is so great. So, we are doing the Harber process. And in the Harber process is the preparation of ammonia. Right? Like we are from saying, you use a catalyst called ion catalyst. The temperature 400 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius. These are the conditions. The atmospheric pressure 200 to 250, like we are from saying. We have taught the Harber process. Now we want to answer the examination question. So the process shown above is the Harber process. Why? Because there is a presence of nitrogen and what? This letter X, which you are saying it is what? Hydrogen. In the preparation of ammonia. So the process that is used in the production of ammonia is called the Harber process. So the Harber process is a process used in the production of what? Ammonia. C. Write the conditions represented by Y and Z. So Y degrees Celsius and Z atm. What are the conditions? What are the conditions? Because in the diagram it shows the reaction. Nitrogen and ammonia. This is so great. Where are you watching from? You who are just joining the group. So if you're just joining, put your number there. We'll add you in the school group, the online class. With their tuitions online learning. The fees are just 65. So if you're interested to learn more, just drop your number there. Drop your number. And there are promotions that I'm giving. Nice promotions that I'm giving. You just join, I will send you 4 videos of the topics that you want. Okay, the topics that others they did that you didn't do. So you join the group, I send you even 4 videos, YouTube videos, you watch them. Okay, let's answer. What are the conditions Y and Z? What are the conditions of Harber process? Kelvin saying 400 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius, and the ATM 200 degrees Celsius. Wow, pretty. Z, which is the atmospheric pressure, 400. Cynthia. Okay, this is the atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure. So what is the atmospheric pressure needed? This is the temperature. So what is the temperature needed? These are the conditions of Harber process. What we are from doing, very simple, the process of production of ammonia called the Harber process. So we are saying that the temperature, what is the condition? How is the temperature supposed to be? Constant, saying 400 degrees Celsius to 500. Yes. So the temperature must be 400 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius. What about the atmospheric pressure? Prudence, the atmospheric pressure must be what? Okay, 200 atm to 250 atm. So when you write 401, they'll give you a mark. When you write 402, they'll give you a mark. Because it's between 400 and 500. So everything between this, it can be 450, forward, they'll give you a mark. Between 200 to 250, so it can be 210, 220, they'll give you a mark. But the condition is from 400 to 500 degrees Celsius, the temperature. The atmospheric pressure, 200 atm to 250 atm. Are you following? Yes. Let's go to I. Name the catalyst used. What catalyst do they use in the production of ammonia? What catalyst do they use in the production of ammonia? What catalyst? Flores. Oh, you're inviting your friend. This is great. I told you, if you invite someone to join the online group, I send you videos of nice topics. Iron. Kelvin. What is the catalyst used? Kelvin is saying iron. What about you? What catalyst is used in the production of ammonia? What catalyst is used? Pretty iron. Mercury ion. Okay, Constance ion. Wow, this is great. What catalyst do they use in the production of ammonia? Ion. Prudence saying ion. Yes, so the catalyst used is called ion catalyst. So we go to 2. Write the ore from which the catalyst named is found. So what is the ore of the catalyst? Yeah, I want to see now if you have been studying. What is the ore of that catalyst? What is the ore of that catalyst? The ore of that catalyst. The ore, they mean where it can be produced. Where is the ore of that catalyst? Where is the ore? What is the ore? This is the question. Write the ore from which the catalyst name is prepared. Write the ore from which the catalyst is prepared. So what ore is used to prepare iron? What ore is used to prepare iron? What ore is used to prepare iron? Cynthia, hematite. Wow. This is so great. This is great. Cynthia saying hematite. Cynthia saying hematite. What is the ore? Tell me as we are finishing. Hematite. So what is the ore that is used in the production of iron? So remember, when we are doing extraction of metals, we said iron is extracted from its ore called hematite. So iron is extracted from its ore called what? Hematite. So the ore used is hematite. E. Let me say D. Construct the balanced chemical equation for the reaction above. Construct the balanced chemical equation for the reaction above. Construct the balanced equation. Here now, we are this side. Let me make it clear. We are finishing answering the 2019 paper 2 internal. Okay, hematite. Mufalari, this is great, hematite. So construct the balanced chemical equation for the reaction above. So the reaction between nitrogen and hydrogen. Construct the balanced chemical equation. Who can try? Brian saying following. Who can try? Who can try it? Who can try? Construct the balanced chemical equation. Okay, without wasting much of time. The balanced equation, nitrogen plus hydrogen. When these they react, they form NH3. So when you want to balance it, nitrogen is 2, nitrogen is 1. Hydrogen is 3, hydrogen is 2. So what are you going to do to make nitrogen 2 here like this side? You introduce a 2 here. So nitrogen is balanced, nitrogen is 2 and nitrogen is 2. But hydrogen has been affected. So here is a 3, right? So 2 times 3, you get 6. So you have 6 for hydrogen. And this side hydrogen, you have 2. So what do you do to balance it? You put a 3 here. Then this is called the balanced what? Equation. So what are the uses of ammonia? We are finishing. What are the uses? Wow, this is great. Constance, pretty, this is great. What are the uses of ammonia as we are finishing? what are the uses of ammonia as we are finishing? It is used in manufacturing nitric acid, is used in explosive, is used in detergents, it is used in detergents, used in fertilizers, it's used in making hard water to become soft water. Is used in making hard water to become soft water. Janet saying used in the manufacturing. Wow, this is great, this is great, this is great. So that's how it is when you talk about the Harber process. That's how it is. You have answered this question. So that's how it is when you talk about the Harber process. So this is the question that we came to answer. So even if it was short, how was it? Have you learned something? Even if it was short, have you learned something? Have you learned something? Have you learned something? Even if it was short, have you learned something? Even if it was short, have you learned something? Have you learned something? Wow, very beneficial. Kelvin, if you're not in the group, join. What we are doing here is just the hint. In the group, there is everything. What we are doing here, it is just the hint. Find the 65 kwacha. Join the group for the month. We'll update you with everything. So, if you're not in the group, join the group. This is the high time you joined the group, okay? So, it's high time you joined the group. It's high time you joined the group. This is English. It's high time you joined the group. I have learned and understood. This is great. Have you understood? You. Have you understood? Janet saying interesting. Prudence, yes sir. We'll see you in the group. We'll see you in the group. We'll see you in the group. Who else? Have you understood? Alright, so I'm your science tutor, Mr. Ruben Jovo. So if you're interested, drop your number, invite that friend of yours to join the group so that they can learn and pass. Make your paper to become clean with a distinction by me helping you to get the distinction that you want. Okay? To get the distinction that you want. So it was a short video and very nice where we have talked and explained the Harber process. We have explained the Harber process and answered the questions, the ion catalyst, the temperature, the uses, what you need, and the ammonia in general. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this live video. See you for those who are in the group. See you in the evening as we are going to continue discussing the questions and the videos that we are doing. If you are not in the group, you want to join, just put your numbers there. It's on promotion now. I'm saying you join the group 65. I send you some videos of what you didn't cover. Okay, so see you. For those who are in the group, see you in the evening. For those, see you next time. This is your science tutor, Mr. Ruben Jovu. Take care and bye-bye.